Hello everyone. Uh, Today I want to show you how to export animations and models to Godot. You use my RootMotion add-on. Uh, this add-on I will have explain to it. Uh, so first, we need to install this add-on. So I have installed it. Uh, Now I remove and show you how to install. You should go to this editor preference and you check the add-ons and click install button. Then go to your downloaded files. So this file I download at my tools tool and project and sets, and check it. So if you check it, it will appear in the right panel. If you click N, the key N, and it will show here. This is a tip, so you should select amateur first. So if you click this, and it will show more info here. If you click another thing like cube, and it will uh, hidden uh, things. So you should click bone first or amateur first. So I now I import some animations and model. So I downloaded first in here modified with four animations included model same model from I downloaded from uh, MXAMO. You can download the model here you like. Uh, so this is just a test. I'm going to import a tag first. So I'm going to import FBX tag, and this should be checked. If you download the animations from MXMO, you should check this button and click import. So we preview this material and we choose the amateur and go to the motion panel. This 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 there are four buttons. Uh, so I'm going to explain uh, what they are for. So this we click this item information here. The information here there is rotation. Rotation are not all zero. So you should if you want to go go to import the animations to Godot. You should make this all zero and these are all one. If you uh, if you not uh, change this to 0 and 1, uh, your root motion will not uh, perform correctly. So uh, first, how to make this 0 and 1? You should go to the root motion panel and click this, read the original data. If you click this button, the original scale will be the current armature's current scale. So we click this, and now this is rightly same as uh, the rotation. No, the scale. So we when this is clicked, and we can uh, choose the hips. The hips is the name uh, in this armature is this one. This one should be named hips. We go to select this bone, and we should select action, or we can choose all action. Uh, both is okay. One action or all action you like. So if you choose the action, and the apply rotation and the scale button will enable. So now in this file, this FBX file, just one animation. So this is just one animation. So all and one and action is the same effect. So we can choose this. Apply rotor scale. This is this seems to be some error, but it's not. If you click the animation, and it will uh, correctly show it work. It has no error. Okay? And we we are going to import another animation. Uh, we choose death, and make sure this button is checked and import. Then we can going to delete the uh, imported animation and the model, just the model, and we'll keep the animation in here. So we can delete it, and click this armature and choose another animation. Now this is perform not correctly. So we are going to click this. We are not going to click this, and we are going to uh, uh, uncheck the all and choose this. Now we can uh, click this button again, and now the armature and the animation correctly is correct. So and click another animation, so it will not destroy the another animation. And we are going to add another animation, another two animation, jump and walk, and make sure this button is checked, and delete again, and keep the animation. this and this image can be deleted, and we can choose the another animation. Uh, we choose have a look. Should be we can choose landing, landing this, and click this again, and choose another animation this, and click again. So the four animation is correct now. Uh, and now we can add a root motion bone to this measure. Uh, we can just click directly. It will add a root bone automatically using this name root dot motion. And of course uh, you can write your own name for root bone. Uh, now let's click the motion make. Uh, Before we click motion make, we will see this root bone not go with the animation. If we under the jump, there's a jump animation, jump animation. This and now we check all animation and click this button. Now all animation is the root bone is follow the hip's previous motion uh, in X and Y plane. So we can have a check and click another animation. So this is just X and Y axis motion will uh, transfer to the root bone. So we can, if we want to transfer X and Y and Z axis motion to the root bone, we can check the X, Y, Z and check the which animation you want to transfer. So the jump is I want to transfer the X, Y, Z axis motion. So and check the all button and click the root motion maker button again. Now we will see the root motion, uh, the hips XYZ and motion was transferred to the root bone. Now and if we check the other animations, they are still have uh, X and Y animation. So in just one plane. This seems to be error, but it's not. It just doesn't have LTG have uh, uh, the no location. And if we going to export the animation, you'd better export with this better colored export to, and check the all action and export animation. So you will export correctly. Yeah, cool. Now we will open Godot and export it. Now the material is not imported correctly. So we are going to import use GLTF first. So we can export as GLTF first. This is because some errors from Blender's export. Animation not we are not going to export the animation. We just will export the model uh, to use the materials. GLTF's materials. We, we delete the material first and import the GLB file. Now the material is imported. Now we click open the DAE again. We will see the material is correct. So the GLB can be deleted. And now we can see the all animations imported. And this jump and this. So I will show you my game use this root motion add-on. Uh, my game have do some animation is all use this add-on to make it. So we can have a look. These animations are all use the motion to make. We can have a look at these animations. No, not this. Just newbie and this. You will see the root bone and another animation. Work cycle the uh, reaction heat, reaction heat，一个个 work cycle and run clock. So I'm going to show you my game. Okay, this is all. Thank you for watching my video.